how to grow your business fast, but also the mistakes that you can avoid while looking to grow your business fast. Hi, my name is Benjamin Davis, and I help business owners of all different niches grow and scale their business without using paid ads. So over the last 3 years, I've helped multiple businesses generate in excess of £7 million of additional revenue, all without using ads. So with that being said, let's get straight into today's video and some steps and key mistakes to avoid while looking to grow your business fast. So many business owners today think that by chucking a lot of money into Facebook advertising, it's going to get them to grow their business fast. And they're looking to spend thousands and thousands of pounds worth of revenue each month, or money each month, to make just a few sales. But by avoiding and turning off those ads, there's a more clever way that you're able to grow your business without spending a penny on ads. Now, we do this by utilizing our existing customer base. Now, this is all part of a longer term strategy as well, and your customers are also your most loyal ambassadors, and also you can use them for referrals. So we utilize this in some of the framework that I employ while working with other businesses. Now, what I also do is we look to build and look at your business and the product and service that you're offering, and make sure that your product and service, or try the best as you can to stand out above your competition. So by that, I mean creating a better value proposition, making your product more appealing, making the transaction more seamless and less frictionless as well for your customers. These are all things that you can do essentially to help grow your business. It's also worth, rather than send out monthly newsletters and chucking it all out to the whole list, really digging down deep to what your customers' problems are, what the solutions are that you're looking to solve, and segmenting that list and communicating to them separately. You're going to see a range of different things. You're going to see essentially a higher open rate. You're going to see also a higher click-through rate, and by communicating directly to the customers, is ultimately going to transition into more sales. Now, this can quite often be a daunting task. Now, whether you're a massive business or whether you're a small business, it's about being consistent and really applying the time to do this. Now, this is something that I work on as well with my clients and with my customers, and we really do focus down and on solving customers and clients' problems to generate more sales and revenue. But if you're spending thousands of pounds worth of money on revenue, just turn those ads off for now and really hone in and be consistent and utilize the assets that you've currently got, because in today's climate, the cost of running a business is about 21% higher than it was 18 months ago. And with the recession and also obviously inflation hitting, business owners now need to be more effective, and they can't just rely on ads to help them to grow their business. For want of a better word, what I'm saying is you need to basically squeeze as much juice out of that proverbial orange, i.e. your customer base and customers, as possible, so that you can stay ahead of the game, so that you can remain more profitable, but most importantly, you can be more consistent. So I've created a free workshop which shows you exactly some of the framework that I apply to help customers growing their businesses. It's in the link below, completely free, so feel free to do that. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, but more importantly, what's really would help me out is if you can click like and also subscribe, and leave a comment as well as to what additional topics that you're struggling with as a business owner. I'd love to hear it and love to answer it and create content and work with you guys to help you grow your businesses. So with that being said, I'll leave it for you for today. Don't forget to hit and subscribe, that like button, and I'll catch you in the next video.